Yes, so my correct people. If a frog is running in the daytime, know that the frog is after something or something is after the frog. If you know, you know. My brothers and sisters, no be small matter. No be small shoot bird, mama fly as I dey talk to una like this o. Hey. As e dey like this, Akpabio wey be correct Anan man. Yes o, na correct Anan man im be. They say right now, all of a sudden, Akpabio no dey fit speak in language again. Akpabio no dey fit speak in language again. Na that place they come say, all is not well. It's not possible that all is well. That something fishy is happening. Now there we will come to say, wait, all the something fishy what they say is happening since. Una be think say na joke. Una be dey use and dey play abi. Una think say na joke. How be say man we don't speak in papa language for the past 30-40 years, all of a sudden, from nowhere, no fit speak language again. Omo, this one calls for questioning. It calls for questioning. It call make them ask question, my brothers and sisters. Omo, I hear this one say, no wonder. The wife they run kitty. They go meet former woman wey be say the husband sef dey clone. Because if una see this cloning thing, no be small thing o. Make una no dey use am joke o. I pity for anybody wey wan use this thing joke. Una politician wey una see so, they can do and undo. The earlier you know this, the better for you. Yes. My brothers and sisters, they say people around them don't they suspect. People around them don't they suspect things. Don't they ask themselves to say, this is not the Akpabio we know. The Akpabio we know is a proud Anan man. The Akpabio we know is someone that is proud of his dialect. Is someone that is proud of his dialect. You understand? Or make una see am. My brothers, my sisters. Now the reason why people can't come out, can't say truly, no be him be that. Now wetin make people come out now, they say that is not Akpabio be this. How man go just wake up all of a sudden, he no fit speak in dialect again. Hey, Anan man for that matter. Where they are proud, their pride long from here reach Lagos. My brothers and sisters, no be small matter. No be small shoot bird, mama fly. I talk am. We no just talk am. Plenty people don't talk am before. Plenty people don't talk am before. Say something fishy is going on. And that thing fishy that is going on, they no want to tell anybody. If they like, make them talk. If they like, make them not talk. Last, we go still know the truth. Yes, now. Last, we go still know the truth. My brothers and sisters, no be small matter. No be small matter as I dey talk to una like this. Everybody come dey shock. Say this is coming to them like a surprise. They say this is coming to them like a surprise. It has not happened before. Yes, it has not happened before. Now I thought say, you people need it to happen before. It's not happening. It's not happening. They are seeing all the clues. You people are seeing all the clues. You are still asking questions if it's happening or not. Something wey don't happen finish. Something wey don't happen finish. My brothers and sisters, no be small thing. No be small thing. Which way Nigeria? Which way Nigeria? You know, say these people were, as in this way, anything for power. They can do anything just to remain in power. They can do anything just to be in power. In case you no more tell una. They will do just anything with everything just to be in power. But may they not forget, say there is a God in Gilead. Yes, sir. There is a God in Gilead. And na that God, I ain't go disgrace them. That God will continue to disgrace them. And na the God they disgrace them so. Una no dey see am. Una no dey see am say all of a sudden, all of them don dey run kitty, dey run kata. No fit drink water drop cup. My brothers, my sisters, una think say na small thing. Una think say na small thing. Make una look am well na. Una go know say no be small thing. No be small shoot bird, mama fly. Maybe himself one day go come talk him own story. But right now, mo use side eye dey look am. Mo look am the way they carry matter. Yes, right now na to dey use side eye dey look am. Nothing wey anybody won't do pass like this. If you know, you know. Akpabio, the truth will be out someday.